It seems as though everyone wants a new pickup right now, and because they are the profit margin darlings of the industry, the OEMs keep them coming. And the segment that's getting the most attention these days is the small to mid-size trucks, particularly those with off-road chops, like this all-new GMC Canyon AT4.
$48,710. That's the sticker price of this second from the bottom AT4 trim. So indeed, truck prices are bonkers, but we already knew that. Above this one is the Canyon Denali, and then above that is the near $60,000 Canyon AT4X, a far more serious off-road version of this truck. Now, similar to Denali, the AT4 sub-brand has instantly become very popular with shoppers, but instead takes GMC's vehicles in a more rugged direction. The special badging and red recovery hooks provide the bling, while added protection for the transfer case, a four-wheel drive system with low gearing, an automatic rear locker, and hill descent control elevate its capability. Inside, the features are also amped up, particularly when optioned like this one with the AT4 Premium Package, which adds a whole host of goodies, most notably a heated steering wheel, ventilated leather appointed seats, memory settings, a power height-adjustable passenger seat, a wireless device charger, and added driver assistance features such as rear park assist. This one also includes a sunroof and bed liner.
GMC has greatly reduced the Canyon offerings. There's now only one body style and one engine across all trim levels. No more extended cab, long box, V6, or diesel. But this AT4 model does carry on, and now it offers significantly more ground clearance, 9.6 inches. But those really meaty Goodyear Wrangler Duratrac tires on the previous model have been replaced here with something a little more on-road friendly.
The real mud tires are reserved for the AT4X, so these on-road all-terrain tires split the difference. The sole engine here is a 2.7-liter Turbo 4 producing 310 horsepower and a sprightly 430 pound-feet of torque paired with an 8-speed automatic. Unfortunately, it's not as smooth nor as fuel efficient as the Nissan Frontier's V6, for example. It will take 87 octane though and return 17 mpg city, 21 highway. Towing is rated at up to 7,700 pounds.
Unlike the Silverado or just about any other full-size truck nowadays, the Canyon's ride quality is definitely not as car-like. There's still quite a bit of impact harshness here and lots of head sway over uneven terrain. It's not severe by any means, but it's also not as smooth as some of the Canyon's competitors. And this engine certainly has big numbers behind it, but it's pretty gruff, and it transmits a lot of vibration into the cabin. Now, this AT4 model is one of two dedicated 4x4 Canyon trims, and it certainly has all of the pertinent traction goodies. But if I was really into off-roading, I would try to reach for that AT4X and its far superior suspension.
Another aspect of the full-size truck life that's missing here is a large rear seat. The Canyon continues to be challenged in this regard, so if you're thinking of using this as a family vehicle, it's just not going to work out very well. The cabin as a whole, however, is a huge step up, with excellent screen and graphics integration, brilliant off-road gauges, and easy-to-select drive modes such as normal, off-road, tow, and terrain that help make the Canyon more capable for its intended tasks. The Google-based infotainment system works well and includes all sorts of cool apps, but this is the first vehicle I've tested that completely removes the typical exterior lighting controls and jams them all into the screen. It does take a little getting used to, but at least there's a quick and easy access button. The quality level overall takes a quantum leap forward. The redesigned body, though, is the biggest upgrade. This is the best-looking midsize truck on the market, adopting a baby Sierra persona. And though it doesn't have the Sierra's super trick tailgate, it does have a little storage compartment and built-in ruler. But all told, this isn't exactly the redesigned truck I was hoping for. Expensive with fewer choices, an engine seemingly ill-suited for its application, and a really tight rear seat make the AT4 more of a poser. Looks like the AT4X is where it's at in the Canyon lineup, but for nearly $60,000, I think I'd leave the midsize truck segment behind altogether. For TestDriveNow.com, I'm Steve Hammis.